Good morning to one and all present here. Today we're going to see a topic called automation in the subject Internet of Things for the production. And almost in all the places nowadays it is an automated, even in the industry, in the mechanical manufacturing industries, all the machines which are running through the automation process. We'll go for the explanations of automation as given in the PPT. Automations can be explained as a process to create and control and monitor the applications of the technology, where it is the process to handle the operations of equipment such as processor, machinery, stabilizations of ships, aircraft, boiler, many applications with a minimum of human efforts. Why we go for the automations? And to increase the labor productivity, to reduce the labor cost, because we go for automations, all the uh, machines will be run automatically, so where the labor cost will be reduced and the productivity will be automatically increased, because the number of machines will run at a time, so that we can increase the productivity and also the quality. To mitigate the effects of the labor shortages, to reduce or eliminate routine, manual, and clerical tasks, to improve the worker safety, uh, where here if the machines run automation automatically, the worker will not trouble enough damaging or repairing of any hazardous happen to the machines or to the human. So it will done automatically, it will done the work properly. Even if that got a breakdown, it will intimate through the sensor with the monitoring facilities, and the quality of the product will be automatically increased by we do the machine automated. Even in the household appliances, we expecting more automations in all the places, like say washing machine or the mixer, grinder, etc. We are requiring almost in all the places an automation to reduce the manufacturing lead time, where the manually we do some operations in the machines, it will take more time to complete, where in terms of the automation, it will do only the minimum time and will do the vast volume of production to accomplish process that can be done manually, to avoid the high cost amount of automating. We have the classifications of automation. We call it as a fixed or hard automations, a programmable automations, and then flexible automations. These are the three main types of automation, where fixed automations involve only the hardware, like machines. Where the second one, the programmable automations, example, a CNC software, where the software will help the machines to run automatically, to run the tool with the help of the codings which has been given. And then the flexible automations that we but involve both the hardware and the software, which includes the source of internet, and then sensors, actuators, devices like smart gadgets, all the codings which has been involved in the classifications of automation. Fixed automations is nothing but where which automatically, without a human interface, all the machines will run. And then with example, the door with the spring load, watch, gravity machine, etc. Many kind of fixed automations will be regularly we are using in the day-to-day life, and then used in low and medium production manufacturing. And the special machines for production processes efficiency at higher number. Here, the fixed automations will give more efficiency, because the hardware will do the work. The automatic machine numerical control machine is an example. Programmable automations is a combination of both the hardware machine and the software programmable. Example, production assembly line, air conditioning, screen saver, traffic light, radiator, etc. Which will where we code the program already in that software. That software will work to the machine. Used when productions which are small and there is variations in the product. And equipments can be easily changed their setup according to product configuration needs after the first production is finished. More different variety and unique product can be produced economically in small amount. One set of program to control the whole operations of the product. Flexible automation is also called the flexible manufacturing system. Even in our institute, we have department in the mechanical department having a laboratory called the FMS laboratory, where we use the number of hardwares and softwares to operate the machines or for the applications, the help of the CNC machines, robot, etc., which is mainly used in the automobile assembly line. The difference between the automations were to consider advantages and disadvantages, fixed high demand volume, maximum efficiency, large initial investment as disadvantages, programmable both presence. And the advantages is the flexibility to deal with changes in product and new product requires long setup time. And then flexible uh, automations which will be a low production rates where we demand and the short product lifestyles. Where advantages of the FMS is nothing but to lead design variations, customization products, large initial investment. Thank you.